Vegas plus football equals a weekend to remember. This isn't just any game day. It's our very first time inside the brand new Allegiant Stadium, home of the Las Vegas Raiders. From the roar of Raider Nation to the jaw-dropping stadium design, we're taking you inside the ultimate game day experience. And stick around, because we've got a huge surprise lined up for our big brother, a die-hard Raiders fan, that he'll never forget. Touchdown in Las Vegas. The energy here hits you the second you arrive. The strip is buzzing, the lights are glowing, and we're already hyped for game day. We checked into the Palazzo, one of Vegas's luxury spots that makes you feel right at home. Don't worry, we'll give you a full tour in an upcoming video, but for now, it's all about Allegiant Stadium. The best part? This trip is extra special because we're surprising our big brother with an unforgettable experience. He's the biggest Raiders fan in the family, and today, we're about to make his dream come true. From the outside, Allegiant Stadium looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, sleek, massive, and glowing against the Vegas skyline. But the real magic happens when you step inside. We kicked things off with a behind-the-scenes stadium tour, a surprise gift for our big brother, who's been a Raiders fan since forever. The look on his face said it all. Pure excitement. On the tour, we learned about the stadium's construction, this $2 billion masterpiece that took over 3 years to complete. It's one of the most high-tech stadiums in the world, designed to handle the desert heat while giving fans the ultimate experience. And of course, no Raiders story is complete without the legacy of the Raiderettes. The guides shared how they've been a part of the team's culture since the 1960s, bringing spirit, energy, and that legendary Raider Nation pride. We got to explore premium lounges, luxury suites, and even stand right where the players get ready before kickoff. It wasn't just a tour, it felt like stepping into Raiders history. The moment we stepped outside, the atmosphere was electric. Raider Nation knows how to throw a game day party. The tailgate area was buzzing, grills smoking, music blasting, and fans dressed head to toe in silver and black. You could feel the passion before even walking through the gates. As we made our way inside, the energy only got louder. The stadium itself is massive, but it still feels intimate, like every seat has the perfect view. We were lucky. Our seats were within the first 7 rows, putting us right in the heart of the action. You could literally hear the players calling out plays on the field. And then came kickoff. The roar of the crowd when the Raiders ran out was unlike anything we've ever heard before. Our big brother was completely in his element, cheering, high-fiving strangers, and living his dream of seeing the Raiders live in their brand new home. One of the coolest parts was watching the game surrounded by fans who live and breathe this team. Raider Nation isn't just about football. It's about family, loyalty, and a culture that's been built over decades. You don't just watch a game here, you feel it. And the best part? The Raiders won. The whole stadium erupted. Strangers became friends. Fans shouted their motto, "Just win, baby." And we were right there in the middle of it all. It was the perfect ending to our first ever Raiders game at Allegiant Stadium. Trust us, if you're ever in Vegas during football season, you have to experience a Raiders game at least once in your life. It's not just a sporting event, it's a full-on Vegas experience mixed with history, pride, and non-stop adrenaline. All right, so if you're planning your own trip to Allegiant Stadium, here are a few tips we wish we knew beforehand. Number 1, arrive early. Trust us, you'll want to soak in the pre-game atmosphere. Between tailgating, music, and all the excitement outside, half the fun happens before you even step inside. Number 2, transportation matters. Parking at the stadium can be pricey and fills up fast. A lot of people use rideshare apps, or even walk across the pedestrian bridge from the strip. We found it way easier than stressing about parking. Number 3, food and drinks. The stadium has a ton of food options, from classic stadium snacks to local Vegas flavors. Lines can get long, so grab your food before halftime if you don't want to miss any action. Number 4, dress the part. Raider Nation takes fan gear seriously. Whether it's a jersey, face paint, or even full-on costumes, You'll fit right in if you rock some black and silver. Number 5. Budget for extras. From merch stands to premium seating upgrades, it's tempting to splurge. Setting aside a little extra cash means you can fully enjoy the experience without feeling guilty later. And one more thing, don't forget your camera or phone. Between the stadium views, the fans, and the game itself, you'll want to capture every moment. After that incredible win, we headed back to our home base here in Vegas, the Palazzo. Honestly, it was the perfect spot to crash after such an exciting night. But more on that in our next video, where we'll give you a full review of the hotel and show you why it's one of the most luxurious stays on the Strip. So, if you enjoyed coming along with us to the Raiders game, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the Palazzo review. Trust us, you're going to love it.